Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is divergence. It is pronounced divergence and spelt D-I-V-E-R-G-E-N-C-E. Think diver, gen, and then C-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Divergence refers to the act of moving away from a common point or standard. It can also refer to a difference or a discrepancy between two or more things. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about a separation or a deviation from a common course or direction. For example, you could say, the divergence in opinions caused a rift in the team. Or, the divergence of the two paths made it hard to find the way back. The word divergence comes from the Latin word divergienta, which means to move away, referring to something that moves away from a common point or standard, the same as today. In the movie Toy Story, the main characters, Woody and Buzz, experience a divergence in their friendship and opinion when they first meet. Woody knows and accepts that they are toys, while Buzz truly believes he's a real space ranger. Synonyms for divergence are separation, deviation, discrepancy, and variation. Antonyms for divergence include convergence, agreement, consistency, and similarity. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, divergence. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.